guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can log into your Wise account. So first of all, you need to be in your browser, or if you already have the app, then it might be more easier for you. But if you have the browser, just type in Wise login. And you'll see this first option over here, so just tap on it. Now all you have to do is type in your email and your password and just tap in login. And if you have logged in through other apps like Google, Facebook or Apple, you can do that too. Or if you don't have the account, just tap on sign up. And then you can create a new account and sign in to your Wise account. So guys, that's how you sign into your Wise account. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.